Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to install the 31255 heater element into the heater body. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver size P2 and 3/8 inch driver. Parts you will need: heater element, heater body retainer gasket, heater body O-ring, 4 screws, 4 nuts, 4 lock washers, a grounding lug, and insulation. Step 1. Stand the heater element up on its end and point the cord out to the left. Step 2. Bore out the 4 holes on the retainer gasket with your screwdriver. Bore out both sides of the holes in the gasket. Step 3. Put the O-ring inside the gasket and place them both on the element, making sure the gasket holes are in alignment with the element holes. Step 4. Place a lock washer on each of the screws. Step 5. Place the heater body over the element with the 2 larger ports facing away from you and the small port facing toward you. Step 6. Align the heater body holes with the element holes and push the screws into the holes. If the screws won't go into the holes, try boring out the gasket holes a little more with the screwdriver. Step 7. Turn the heater on its side with the cord facing up and install a nut on each of the screws. Step 8. Install the grounding lug in the top right screw with the lug facing the corner and tighten all the bolts. Step 9. Install the insulation on the heater. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.